Welcome to the assembly video of Tesgo Hummer. Let's first remove the box and take the bike out of it. Remove the protector first. We can see two boxes with the bike itself. In one box, there's a product handbook, pedals, a bell, and tools. In another box is the charger of Tesgo Hummer. Let's see what we got. Unfold the bike first. Ensure the fold mechanism is latched and securely locked. Next, let's mount the handlebar. Insert the handlebar into the tube and close the stem folding mechanism. Tighten using the hex wrench. Use the suspension locker to adjust the suspension. Now it's time to install the pedals. Install each pedal on the correct side as marked on the pedals. Carefully thread in the pedal by hand, turning towards the front of the bike. Use a wrench to tighten the pedals. Now, let's activate your bike from shipping mode. Plug in the charger and give the bike some energy. Next, install the bell. Loose the screw from the bell first and fix the bell onto the handlebar wherever it is convenient for you to ring it. Tighten the screws. Ring, ring. Here comes the most exciting part. Light the bike up. Plug in the key to the bottom of the down tube. Then, press the power button on the left side of the handlebar. Welcome to Tesgo. You can press the button on the side of the control panel to turn the lights on and off. Press the plus or minus button to adjust the pedal assist from level 1 to 5. You can shift the gear by pressing the lever. Adjust the brakes to your liking. And that's it. Enjoy your ride.